Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about doing nickel gap and give you some tips and tricks, show you how the pros do it. My name is Jordan with Signature Finish Carpentry. We work for some of the most premier builders in Minnesota. We work in custom homes and do strictly finish carpentry. So here I'm just showing a speeded up little clip of me installing some nickel gap wainscoting in a house. It's a remodel in Minneapolis on the third floor. They want wainscoting throughout everywhere, so I'm just getting some of the quick stuff done on the walls that aren't connected to windows and stuff. And I just want to show you how to mass produce this and get the most square footage on the wall as fast as possible, which means the most money in your wallet as fast as possible. So first thing, get some sawhorses, glue up multiple boards at a time. Save yourself as much walking as possible. Get a cordless nailer if you don't have one yet. Those things are getting better and better every year. And lay out all your lines ahead of time. Level laser lines in or level them across the whole, everything you're doing long before you start working. And mark out your backing or studs, whatever you're nailing into. This here is crucial. Get a stop block if you don't have one, especially if you're cutting a bunch of the same pieces like I was. I cut 310 pieces that were the same length, so you can imagine the time I saved with that thing. And then just getting yourself set up, positioning your material in the places, spreading it across the house, putting it in the places where it's gonna go will save you a lot of trips in the future, running back and forth to your saw, to the pile of wood. Just get it spread into the correct place. It also will help you know if you need to order more for the future. Here I marked out my backing, lasered a line across the whole house, so I know where to nail, so I don't have to think. It's brainless at this point. Here I'm just showing how to nail. You want to angle in, and it's a little tricky. You want to get it at the perfect angle like this, where you're catching enough meat, but you're also out on the tip, so that the next board coming in will cover those nail holes. You don't want little nail holes and gaps. That's bush league. If you want it to look primo, you want it the least amount of fasteners seen. If you're doing vertical nickel gap like this, where you're not hitting every stud, or let's say you don't have backing like I do, you're gonna want to glue every piece. Get some construction adhesive back there, make sure it's not bouncing around on the wall when people bump it. If you're going horizontal, I personally don't think you need to glue it unless you're for some reason in a spot that's gonna receive a lot of traffic. But yeah, so I feel like you should have learned something, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or would like to hear more about this. So thanks for watching.